My name's James Hillary. This is going to be my first YouTube video, hopefully of many. I'm here near Corvallis, Oregon, and I want to show you the shop that we're moving into right now at an abandoned log mill. So it's been abandoned since 2008. It needs a lot of work, but I want to show you what our plan is with the space, what we're going to use it for. I'll be using a part of the space for my drone business, AeroTract. We do agricultural, forestry, and industrial surveying with drones. I'll be sharing it with my friend who has a tree service. So let's take you around and show you what we're gonna do. Hey guys, here's the outside. Got a 15-foot garage door and a man door. So first I'm just gonna show you the general layout of the shop. Like I said, it's about 4,000 square feet. There's one main room that we're in right now. In the far back there, you can see that there is an old office space as well as an old crappy bathroom that I'll get to here later in the video. There's another smaller space back here and a parts room. In the parts room there's a storage closet and a door that goes into an office space on the north side of this shop. We also have a loft above. So let's get started and show you kind of what we're planning on doing with it. So the first thing here is we've got new insulation up on the walls and the ceiling. And we've got new lighting as well, so we're going to be taking down all this old lighting that you can see up there. We don't need it. We kind of just want to get rid of the clutter in here. So we're going to be doing that and taking out a few extra electrical components that aren't in use anymore. Just a general cleanup. We've already done a lot of cleaning so far. You wouldn't believe the amount of sawdust that was built up in here. So let's get started and show you kind of our general layout plan. First thing you'll notice is I put some tape on the ground to kind of mark out the different areas we want to have allocated to different things. So this first section here in the front, you can see that corner, you can see the corner right there, you can see this corner over here, and you can see that one right there. So this section right here that I'm pointing at right here up to that blue tape, this is going to be our dirty area, and by that I mean we're going to have all of our woodworking equipment, you know, our lathes, hopefully getting a vertical mill here soon. So anything dirty related, hopefully we can clean it up easy enough. On this side, we're going to have our, what I'm calling the mechanics area. So you can see my steam engine here that I've been building. Basically just a space that's clean and ready to have a vehicle or some of my motorcycles, which they are not over here at the shop yet, and I'll have those over soon. You can also see one of my bigger drones and a ground station. Over here, I plan on parking my Jeep kind of in this space right here, just like that. Kind of just moving stuff in right now, so not too organized. Let's go check out what we're going to do over here. There's the old keys rack. So we plan on putting a kiln back here to dry wood that we've had sawed up in this space. That's the plan for right now. We don't have lighting in the parts room yet, so we're working on that. But here's the parts room. So my plan in here, guys, is I'm going to take out this center one here. I want to put a big table in the center and clean this room out and turn it into an office space. So I plan on carpeting it, kind of sealing it off. For the one guy that is on the team, he kind of works for me and does some GIS, which is Geographic Information Systems, work for the drones. So we're planning on, you know, tearing up this space, putting some desks and computers in here, keeping it clean compared to the dirty shop. This door right here goes out to that front room I was talking about. It's in pretty rough shape, so we've got some new windows to install there and to get that cleaned up. I'll show you guys that later. Here's another parts room back here. So we have a couple of different ideas for this. You know, maybe if we're staying late at the shop, we should have a bunk room, put a couple of beds in here. I'm not sure about what our other plan is other than leaving it like this, so we'll see if that becomes an option. So let's go over here now. So So I said there was a loft up here. Here's the old ladder that goes up to it. Lots of shelves. Here's another space back here. I think we're going to be making this into a paint room or a sandblasting room. We're going to be tearing down this old bathroom here. It's in pretty rough shape in there. And I think that's about it for what we're going to be, what our plans are as of right now. So lots of old electrical stuff. Here's my truck. And that's about it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I've got a lot more videos that I'm going to be posting here soon to keep you guys updated on this shop. I'm also going to be bringing over a bunch of my projects that I finally want to get around to. I've got a Ford 8N that I want to restore, one of the old Ford tractors. I got the steam engine I want to finish. I've got an old Suzuki GT550 motorcycle, which is a 3-cylinder 2-stroke, a BMW R60. I've also got an old hay baler that I want to restore, and a few more projects that I'm going to be picking up. So I will keep you guys in the loop, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please feel free to, subscribe to me, and feel free to critique my video as well so that I can make better ones in the future. Thanks.